Cleaning your ears with medication should always be done gently and carefully to maintain ear health and avoid damage. The ears are sensitive organs, and proper technique is important when using ear drops. Before you begin, make sure your hands are thoroughly washed. Clean hands help prevent any bacteria or germs from getting into the ear canal during the process. Choose a comfortable and quiet place where you can lie down, preferably on your side, with the affected ear facing upward. This position helps the drops settle into the ear canal properly. Once you're lying down, gently pull the ear upward and slightly backward. This motion straightens the ear canal and allows the medication to reach deeper inside. If you're applying drops for a child, you should pull the ear downward and backward instead. Hold the ear drop bottle just above the opening of the ear and release the prescribed number of drops. Be sure not to let the dropper touch the ear, as that can contaminate the bottle and introduce bacteria. Let the drops slowly enter the ear canal. You might feel a tingling or bubbling sensation, which is completely normal. It means the drops are beginning to work. Stay in the same position for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the medication enough time to work effectively. After that, slowly sit up and use a clean towel to wipe away any excess liquid that might have drained from the ear. You may notice softened wax or fluid coming out. This is a sign the medication is helping to break down buildup. If your doctor or the product instructions suggest it, you can gently place a small piece of cotton at the entrance of the ear to prevent the drops from leaking out. Do not push it inside the ear. It is important not to use cotton swabs or insert anything into your ear, as this could push wax deeper or damage the eardrum. Ear drops should be used only as directed, and you should complete the full course of treatment if recommended. If symptoms don't improve or worsen, consult your healthcare provider. With proper use, ear medication can safely relieve discomfort and help maintain healthy ears and clear hearing.